I think a lot of people are looking for what you might call a weight loss silver bullet. Jeff Dana from Prolean Wellness is here, and you have lost weight. You have kept it off. So let me ask you, is your secret a silver bullet?
No, far from it, right, Suzanne? And right now reminds me of a lot about that mindset where people are talking to their friends, oh, I've got this shot that I'm taking, this diabetes weight loss shot, and it's magically, but the weight's coming off of me. And it reminds me back in 2008 when I was 355 pounds and I had tried literally everything to lose weight. And all these people around me were like, you got to take these shots, you got to take these drops, right? Remember that?
Yes.
And they were like, the weight's coming off of me, and I don't even have to exercise, for heaven's sakes, and I don't have to eat. And I'm like, wait a second, you're not exercising and you're not eating. So what's happened to your metabolism and what's happened to your muscle mass, right? And then sure enough, all that weight would come back and then some. And so we had this backlash, and I see that, a similarity to what's happening right now in the market.
And let's talk about those injections, and because I think a lot of people think, I'm going to lose that weight, but there's one thing I've learned from you. Muscle mass is so important to maintain.
Yeah, and so those are tools, right? And they have their place, don't get me wrong. And they do work for some people. There are side effects and all of that, but you have to put together a whole plan around that person. So we're looking at your muscle mass using the DEXA scan, right? That DEXA is so important to understand how, build a program to where the muscle mass stays put, eating protein. And then the blood work is critical. Because if you're not solving those issues that got the weight on in the first place, they're going to be there when you feel like you want to stop taking the meds, and then it comes back. So that's the key, is surrounding that client with a real program instead of just a little piece that really is a false hope.
Exactly. I think a lot of people, they call it the weight loss roller coaster. Yeah. You lose, you gain, you lose. And when people come in, I know we're all made differently. Right. Our metabolisms are different. How do you program or how do you decide which person is going to go on what program? How do you curtail it?
Well, it's all based on blood work and what that person's looking for, right? And the really cool part about what we do is we help facilitate their success. Meaning, if they want to go on the weight loss injections, that's okay. I get it. But we're also, when they're on those injections, resolving those issues at the same time so that they eventually can get off, instead of what the drug companies want them to do is just stay on and keep buying those expensive drugs. And so our goal is to help them understand why it happened in the first place. Let's get the weight off, and those drugs can be a help, right? But we have some other methods that are actually faster to do that, so they don't have to decide the side effects of those drugs. And when you do that, at the end of the day, they're in a healthy place, they know why it happened in the first place, and they're equipped to keep it off and live their lives the way they want to.
Yeah, healthy mind, healthy body, and your track record speaks for itself. You've had long-term weight loss success. So for people, how did you get into this? How did you become so successful in keeping your weight off?
Well, and that was the key, is understanding why personally my body was storing fat. Because if I didn't know that, I would just keep doing that roller coaster you talked about. And we'd lose a little bit here to come back. And so it's really about education. That's the key to the whole thing. If there is a silver bullet, it's understanding why this happened in the first place. Yes. And then applying those principles once you learn that. And those other drugs and those other things can be helps, but they're not the be-all, end-all that people want.
So many people want to get healthy. They're tired of staying on that roller coaster. Right. You have a special offer.
We do. So for those who are really wanting to get this resolved once and for all, we're offering a special on our DEXA scan and a consultation for just $47. And that's a $200 value.
Wow.
And also a 10% discount on our totally custom 12-week elite program. So they'll get all that information that they'll need to be long-term successful.
I love it. Jeff, thank you so much. I always learn so much from you, and thank you for coming in and sharing your expertise.
Thank you, Suzanne. I appreciate it.
And if you would like more information about Prolean Wellness, all you have to do is head to their website or call the number you see right there on your screen.